you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Mwalimu Fidel Sierra Amboko. So today we want to look two questions under quadratic expression and linear equation. So our first question states that Kini bought 3 skirts and 2 sweaters at a total cost of 1,575 shillings. If he had bought 2 skirts and 3 sweaters, he would have spent 225 shillings more. Find the cost of the 5 skirts and 2 sweaters. So here we have already started, but I will explain everything. So solution, here is solution. So let x represent the skirts and y represent the sweaters. So x, so Nkimi bought 3 skirts, so 3 skirts, which is represented by letter x. 3 skirts plus 2 sweaters plus 2 sweaters is equals to totals which were given there. The total 1,575 shillings. That is our total. And then if he had bought 2 skirts, he have bought 2 skirts and 3 sweaters, which the total was 225 more. So more means we add. More means, so we take the first cost, which was 1,575. We add to 225, which will give us 1,800. So we will proceed. So it is proceed. So we will use elimination method. So elimination method, and then we will say that the equation will be, let's put it well, 3x plus 2y is equals to 1,575, and 2x plus our 3y is equals to 1,800. So we will use elimination method, where we will use the value of x. So here we have 2, the first one you have 3, the other one you have 2. So we will interchange them. You multiply this side by 2. These 2 will go up and these 3 will go down. So 2 will go up, multiply by 2, and then we have 3. These 3 will go down, we cross multiply them, will go down 3. So we open the bracket. So we can put it in short like this. Short like that. So we want to open the bracket. Where we'll start by multiplying 2 multiplied by 3 will be, that will give us 6x plus 2 multiplied by 2, 4, that is 4y. 4y is equals to 1,575 multiplied by 2. We are allowed to use the calculator. So 1,575 multiplied by 2 will give us 3,150. And that we have opened the first one. The second one will be 3 multiplied by 2, which will give us 6x plus 3 multiplied by 8 by 3 will give us 9y is equals to 1800 multiplied by 3. 1800 multiplied by 3. No, by 3, which will give us 5400. It will give us 5400. So after that, so we have the second equation. So we will use it. We'll use elimination method. So we will choose which. So we will use minus. You can use a minus or a plus. So we will use, let us use minus because we have 6x. So this one will be 0. We will remain with this one, negative 5. Negative 5y is equals to 3,150. This one 3,150 minus, you minus by this one, it will be 5,400. That one will give us negative. That one will give us negative 2, 2,250. 2,250, negative 2,000, and then we divide both sides by 5, by negative 5, by negative 5. That one will give us the, so this positive will go with this one. So we have y is equals to, divide by positive, divide by negative 5, which will give us 400. 4 will give us 450. Okay, so we have get the value of y is 450. So and the question wanted the find the cost of 5 skirts and 2 sweaters. So 5 shirts and 2 sweaters. So we'll use the second equation, which will be this one. We will use this one to get the value of x and y. So we will take 2x plus 3y is equals to 1800. Oh, sorry, the space is not enough, but it is 1800. I think you may see it. 1000, it is 1800. This side is 1800. So sorry for the space. So 1800. So this equation, so where we have y will placed for 450. So we have y here. So it is 2x plus 3 times y which is for 450. So it will be 2x plus 3 times y, 450 times 450 times y times 3, which will give us 1000. It is 1350. 350 is equals to that one, 1800. I'm sorry, I'm truly sorry. 1800. So this one is, it is 2x plus 1350, which we have get by multiplying 3 times y. The value of y was 450. So 450 multiplied by 3 will give us 1350. 1350, which was equated to 1800. So the space is not enough, so I've decided to write it down. So it is 1800. And then when this one crosses the equal sign, the sign is positive. You have positive sign. When it crosses the equal sign, it will be negative. So it is 1800 minus 1800 minus 1350 will give us 450. So we have 2x is equals to 450. So we divide both sides by 2. So the value of x is equals to x is equals to 2 divided by, that will be 2 5. The value of x will be 225. X is 225, both side. X 225. So if x is 225, what about y? So we just use the same equation that we used, the equation that we used here. So we'll use it again. So we have 2x. So x is 225. You multiply these two, because let's write it. 2x plus 3y plus 2x plus 3y is equals to 1800. So 1800, and then we have x. We have get the value of x is, x is 225. So 2 multiplied by 225 will give us 2 multiply 225, which will give us 450. It will give us 450 plus 3y is equals to 1800. So 1800. So 400 is it is positive, so it crosses the equal sign, minus. So it is 1800 minus 450 will give us 3y is equals to 1350 divided by 3 by 3. So the value of y is equals to 450. So if you want to get the, so the value, we have the value of x. I'm sorry, the space is not enough, but we'll just continue. So we have get the value of x 225, the value of y, we have get the value of y 450. So the question tell us find the cost of 5 skirts and 2 sweaters. So if you want to find the cost of 5 shirts, you just take the shirts was represented by x. So skirts, no, I'm sorry, the skirt, the cost of the skirt, one skirt x is equals to 225. So 225 multiply by these 5, you get the cost of the skirts, and the cost of sweaters you take 2 multiply by the value of y, which is 450, and then you get your answer, and then you get your 4 marks. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe for our channel. Thank you.